Okay, so today we are going to work with 9.5, which is law of sines. So it says previously you solved right triangles. That was through Pythagorean theorem. To solve a triangle with no right angle, you need to know the length of at least one side and any two other parts of the triangle. So that could be another side or that could be an angle. The law of sine can be used to solve triangles when two angles and the length of any sides are known. So angle, angle, side, or angle, side, angle cases. Or when any length of any side of an opposite angle of one of the two sides are known, which is side, side angle. So the law of sine states that given this triangle, B is always going to be at the top, A is always going to be to the left, and C always to the right. And remember, the side of the triangle is always opposite the angle. So little c is across from big C, little a across from big A, little b across from b. So how this works is the sine of A goes over side A equals sine of B over side B equals sine of C over side C, side with a D. Or you can flip it as to the reciprocal where the side goes first, A over sine of A. So let's try an example with this. So we are given A, B, and C, where C is 107 degrees, B is 25 degrees, and side B is 15. So again, you want to draw that triangle where you have big B, so little b is here, C, little c is here, little a, big A. So let's fill in what we know. We know that C is 107 degrees. We know that B is 25 degrees. So we need, we also know that little b or side B is 15. So we need angle A, side C. So that's what we're starting with. So let's get the easiest one out first, angle A. Remember from, I believe, 9.1, every triangle is made up of 180 degrees. So 180 minus 107 minus 25 gives me my angle of 48. So we now know that angle A is 48 degrees, if you want to fill that in. To find both of your sides, you need to use that new formula. So we're going to do side A first. So if we're looking for side A, we always want whatever we're looking for to be on top, over sine of A. And then because we know side B, we're going to use B over sine B. So let's fill in what we have already. So we don't know side A, but we do know that A as the degree is 48. So sine of 48. We know that side B is 15. And we know that sine of B, B being 25, goes there. Okay, now because we're set up as a proportion, we do cross products. So A times the sine of 25 equals 15 times the sine of 48. You can use a calculator. You can use the Desmos graphing calculator might be a good one. But you're basically going to multiply 15 times sine of 48, which gives you 11.147. And then that's equal, and this side stays the same for now. Then you want to divide by sine of 25 on both sides to get A by itself. And you should get 26.37. 38. So then you do the same thing for C, and we're also going to use B because that is our given information. So C goes up here, and then the sine of C, we now know the angle is 107, equals 15 over sine 25. Again, we're going to still use all of B that we have. We're going to cross multiply, and we get 15 times sine of 107 equals C times sine of 25. So we multiply 15 times sine of 27. So 15 sine of 27 gives me 6.81 equals C times sine of 25. Divide by sine of 25 on both sides. And C equals sorry, that is not 6.8. 15 times sine of 107, I put in 27, is 14.34. So then when I divide that by sine of 25, I should get 33.94. Much better answer. So then fill that in up here. Side A is 26.38. Side C is 33.94. So that is when you are given an angle, and a side. So it would be abbreviated like this. Example 2. We're also going to be given angle, side. So with this piece of information, we are going to draw our triangle. B is 34 degrees. Sorry, my dog's eating his breakfast in the background. C is 100, so we don't know A again. Now we know B to be 8, and we don't know C. So we will be starting off with finding angle A again, side A, side C. So angle A is going to be 180 minus 100 minus 34, which gives me 46 degrees.